What if I told you that the secret to feeling stronger, younger, and more energetic after 60 isn't hidden in expensive pills or painful workouts, but right inside your morning coffee cup? Yes, that same cup you've been drinking for years could either be draining your vitality or secretly rebuilding your strength. But when you add this one shocking powder, everything changes. It can melt away fatigue, restore muscle, balance your blood sugar, and even protect your heart, all while you enjoy every warm sip. Stay with me, because by the end of this, you'll never look at your coffee the same way again. Let's begin with a story. John Miller, a retired electrician from Ohio, was 68 when he started feeling the slow creep of age. His legs ached after a short walk, his back felt stiff each morning, and his energy seemed to vanish by noon. He loved his coffee, 2 cups every morning, but he never imagined it could help him fight back against aging. That changed when his doctor mentioned that adding specific natural powders to his coffee could rebuild lost muscle and balance his blood sugar. Skeptical but curious, John started with one small change, adding a teaspoon of cinnamon to his cup. Within weeks, his afternoon crashes disappeared, his blood sugar readings improved, and for the first time in years, he felt strong enough to take morning walks again. What happened to John isn't a miracle, it's science, and you can experience it too. Cinnamon, the first on our list, isn't just a holiday spice, it's one of nature's most powerful anti-inflammatory agents. As we age, our blood sugar levels become unstable, causing fatigue, poor circulation, and muscle loss. Cinnamon helps stabilize those levels, preventing energy crashes and improving nutrient absorption into the muscles. Just half a teaspoon of true Ceylon cinnamon in your morning coffee can keep your metabolism steady throughout the day. It also adds a pleasant aroma and flavor, making it a healthy replacement for sugary creamers. For seniors over 60, this one habit alone can protect muscle, improve digestion, and support heart health, all from a single spice you probably already have at home. Next, let's talk about cocoa powder, the same ingredient found in chocolate, but in its pure, unsweetened form, it becomes a superfood for your heart and muscles. Rich in flavanols, cocoa improves blood circulation, lowers blood pressure, and enhances oxygen delivery to your muscles and brain. Poor circulation is one of the hidden causes of fatigue and weakness in older adults. When your blood vessels stiffen with age, your muscles get less oxygen, making you feel tired even after small tasks. Evelyn, a 72-year-old grandmother, used to struggle with morning stiffness and dizziness. Her grandson suggested she add 1 teaspoon of unsweetened cocoa powder to her coffee each day. Within 2 weeks, she noticed she could walk longer, her legs felt lighter, and even her blood pressure improved. That's the power of cocoa. It nourishes your heart, feeds your muscles, and makes every cup of coffee a boost for both your body and mood. Now let's go to something truly fascinating: coconut oil, or MCT oil. For centuries, elders in Asia have used it to keep their minds sharp and bodies active. Coconut oil contains medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which your body uses instantly for energy instead of storing as fat. For seniors, this means no sugar crashes and no mental fog. Imagine replacing that tired, sluggish feeling after breakfast with smooth, steady energy all day long. MCTs also fuel the brain directly, helping protect against age-related memory decline and even supporting those at risk of Alzheimer's. Start with just 1 teaspoon stirred into your hot coffee and watch your focus sharpen and your stamina rise. It's simple, natural, and incredibly effective. Next up is collagen powder, often called the glue that holds your body together. After 50, your collagen levels start to drop dramatically. That's why skin sags, joints ache, and recovery slows. But a daily scoop of hydrolyzed collagen in your coffee can help restore what time has taken away. Clinical studies show collagen supplementation improves skin elasticity, reduces joint pain, and increases muscle mass, especially in adults over 60. In one 12-week study, seniors who added collagen to their morning coffee reported a 32% improvement in mobility and fewer aches. It dissolves easily, has no taste, and gives your body the building blocks to stay strong from the inside out. At number 4, and this one might surprise you, is turmeric. This golden spice, used for thousands of years in traditional medicine, contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound that protects your brain, heart, and joints. Aging often brings chronic inflammation that slowly weakens the body, but curcumin can help reverse that. Researchers from the University of California found that curcumin can enhance memory, reduce anxiety, and boost mood in older adults. Add just a pinch of turmeric with a tiny bit of black pepper to your coffee to help your body absorb it better. The result is a warm, earthy flavor and a daily dose of protection against inflammation, pain, and fatigue. Then we have maca root powder, sometimes called the Peruvian miracle. This ancient root is known to enhance stamina, hormone balance, and even libido. Yes, you heard that right. As hormone levels naturally decline with age, energy and mood follow. But maca has been shown to gently support the endocrine system, helping you feel more alive and motivated. Seniors who add maca to their morning coffee often report feeling more energetic, more focused, and even sleeping better at night. Just half a teaspoon is enough to feel the difference in a week. At number 2 is ginger powder, another kitchen staple that hides remarkable healing powers. Ginger improves digestion, reduces joint pain, and supports cardiovascular health. Many seniors suffer from indigestion, bloating, or nausea without realizing that their gut health is deeply connected to their overall energy. Ginger helps by increasing enzyme activity, improving circulation, and reducing stiffness. Adding it to coffee gives your drink a subtle, spicy kick while protecting your arteries and boosting immunity. And finally, number 1, the ingredient that's changing the lives of seniors around the world: protein powder, specifically whey or plant-based protein. You see, after 60, your body struggles to rebuild muscle from food alone. Without enough protein, even regular activity can lead to muscle loss. But when you combine coffee with high-quality protein powder, you get a powerful synergy: caffeine to stimulate energy and protein to rebuild strength. A Harvard study found that seniors who added protein to their morning beverage had 47% better muscle retention and strength compared to those who didn't. Start with 1 scoop of unflavored protein in your coffee each morning. It blends smoothly, tastes light, and fuels your muscles for the entire day. When you combine all these ingredients, cinnamon for balance, cocoa for circulation, MCT oil for energy, collagen for repair, turmeric for inflammation, maca for vitality, ginger for digestion, and protein for strength, you create what can only be described as a longevity brew, a simple cup of coffee that not only wakes you up but keeps you young. But before you rush to the kitchen, remember this: balance is everything. Don't try to add all 8 at once. Start with 1 or 2. Notice how your body feels and build from there. Nature rewards patience. Over time, you'll notice your skin glowing, your energy steady, your movements smoother, and your mornings brighter. You'll realize that feeling young isn't about chasing youth, it's about fueling your body with wisdom. So tomorrow morning, when you pour your coffee, don't just drink it, empower it. Let every sip remind you that age is not your enemy. Neglect is. You have the knowledge now to rebuild strength, to protect your heart, to live with purpose and vitality. And before we end, I want to leave you with one last story. Margaret, a 75-year-old widow from Texas, wrote to the Seniors Hub saying she'd felt old for years, until she started making what she called her power coffee. She mixed cinnamon, cocoa, and collagen into her morning cup. Within a month, her posture improved, her skin looked radiant, and she began gardening again, something she hadn't done in over a decade. She ended her letter with a simple line: "I didn't just get my energy back, I got myself back." That's the real gift of this coffee. It gives you back what time tried to take away. So my dear friends, start today. Stir strength into your mornings, sip vitality into your veins, and let your golden years truly shine. If you found this video helpful or inspiring, please give it a like, subscribe to the Seniors Hub, and share it with your loved ones who deserve to live their healthiest, strongest years yet. Tell us in the comments where you're watching from and what ingredient you're excited to try first. Remember, it's never too late to feel alive again. Because at the Seniors Hub, we believe every sunrise after 60 is another chance to become stronger than yesterday. And it all starts with one powerful cup of coffee.